Charlie Foxtrot X-Ray Alpha Zulu, contact Raleigh approach on 124.8.
Charlie Foxtrot X-Ray Alpha Zulu, Raleigh approach, turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 2000. Charlie Foxtrot X-Ray Alpha Zulu, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles straight in to runway 5 left, Airbus 320.
Charlie Foxtrot X-Ray Alpha Zulu, clear direct flight to resume to Hooks 5, departure climb and maintain 10,000.
Charlie Foxtrot X-Ray Alpha Zulu, descend and maintain 2,400. Charlie Foxtrot X-Ray Alpha Zulu, airport's at your 1 o'clock, 6 miles.
Charlie Foxtrot X-Ray Alpha Zulu, Ocala Tower, enter the right downwind, runway 36, report midfield. Land runway 36. Okay, check.